In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the keyboard is not working on your Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. We cannot use our keyboard, so we're just going to use with our mouse to fix the issue. So right click at the start button and then select device manager in the list of options. Now once the device manager window is opened, here you just need to simply look for keyboards, this one, and then you'll find your keyboard driver. Now what you can do, you need to make a right click and then select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this and then try to see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, go back to the same device manager window. Locate your keyboards, make a right click, select update driver. This time you need to go with browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Then simply click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and then you have to click on yes, and this will restart your Windows, and after that try to see if the problem has been fixed. Now if you are using an external keyboard like a USB keyboard, make sure to try plugging it into different USB port. So try a different USB port if you are using an external USB keyboard. Okay, so for the next method, we need to use the on-screen keyboard so that we can type on our Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings. Okay. Then here we just need to simply click on accessibility. Scroll down and you'll find keyboard. Here you'll find on-screen keyboard, turn it on. Close the settings window. Then click on the search bar and type CMD using the on-screen keyboard, CMD. Now on the right pane, simply click on run as administrator. Then here just simply type using the on-screen keyboard SFC space / scan now. Okay, SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So this will check for any integrity violations, and this will fix for all system corrupted files. So you just need to wait for the process to be done. And once this is 100% completed, you just need to close the command prompt window. Click on the Windows key and then make a right click on the power button and select restart. Okay, and for the final method, right click at the start button and select settings. On the list of options on the left pane, simply click on Windows Update and update your Windows to the latest version. So make sure you are running the latest version of your Windows. So this will now check for updates, download and install the latest updates for your Windows. And once you're updated, you need to close this window and then press the Windows key, right click at the power button and select restart. Okay, so if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.